morning everyone, this is Devashi Biswal, a fellow associated with the Village Square, and today we'll be covering a very beautiful story based in Odisha, and for that only I'll be traveling across for 200 kilometers. To know more about the story, you just have to stay tuned because I'll be taking you across some of the finest stories across India and specifically Odisha.
Chocolate ये खाइबो.
So from here onwards, our journey will be continued in this car. Just arrived the Jajpur Keonjhar Road station, but I would like to let you know guys that our story is not based exactly from here. So we still gonna travel for another 45 to 50 kilometers down to Sukenda, where exactly our story is based. But one thing is for sure that the story is really inspiring, which has kept me moving throughout for 15 or 16 days pushing for it, and I'm really glad to be a part of it. So I certainly hope that you guys will love it. So we have just completed and wrapped our story from Sukenda. So as you must be wondering, what is this story all about? So this is the story of a very inspiring woman called Josna Mahanta, who basically thought about all the educational needs of her from her village, and what she basically has done is she has started a mini Anganwadi in her village for all the students who could not afford to go to the nearby village due to some transportation and accessibility issues, so which was somewhat around 4 kilometers from here. So I just came in here, and the kind of support I got from here while covering the story is immensely appreciated. She literally helped me throughout the entire process, and she also cooked meals for the kids. And though it was specifically a holiday for all the students, but just for the shoot, she specifically invited all those kids over here. Though the students who are here in this mini Anganwadi are just 4 in numbers, but I certainly believe that the kind of initiative from the past 8 months she has been running with this mini Anganwadi is certainly very highly appreciable. And I certainly feel these kind of stories and kind of the resilience which Josna Mahanta has shown through the way is certainly as a kind of a remarkable presence of her entrepreneurship in this field. So I really want you guys to see this story over Village Square, and just keep dropping your comments and love over this, and thank you so much.